What is that?
Oh, yeah, glitter egg.
Let me see. Let me see.
Good boy.
No. What'd the bunny get you?
Egg.
Let me see. Let me see.
Egg.
Oh, that's pretty. Let me see.
$20.
Oh, nope, nothing. Not even a piece of bubble gum. Let's see, what's this one? That's a bunny pole.
Nope, still like the glitter egg.
I got the one.
Hold on. Let's see what else. Jamie, what else?
It's an egg.
What's this?
A
Look
mask.
at that. An Easter bunny mask. Oh, they're glasses.
What are glasses?
Easter bunny glasses.
He's putting the piece of glasses in his name.
Oh. Sorry, I went off on my
You're
own.
fine.
There's something in there. Something to the top of that egg.
He just put in the rubber pieces from this. Come here, Dad.
That ain't gonna.
Oh, yuck it! Oh, I'm gonna have to wait till we got two hands. Yeah, see, what else? What else? What is that? Is that SpongeBob? Crispy chocolate. And you're still interested in the glitter egg. Holy moly, Batman.
What's that?
Big old cookie egg. And a zebra egg.
Hey, don't brush your hair.
No, I can't use the bottle.
Ah, look at the little rhino. Where's you? Where's you? The rhino! Ah, get the rhino!
Oh, another egg.
That's a zebra egg. Holy moly, Batman, look at all that candy.
He says, I want it. I want it.
Let's see. This is one of these. No.
Shoes, socks. Go on, Gino. No.
I like something.
Is that a tweet tweet?
Can I get the bucket?
Yeah, you guys can get your bucket now. Look at all that candy.
Yeah, I got you wearing fucking sandals, Gino.